What's up, guys? It's your boy Stumpy Double G, and I'm back with another Dota 2 Road to Immortal episode. I know it's been a extremely long time since we played this game. Fuck it, jump straight into a ranked match. Ew. Me, I ain't scared. Okay, now it's been forever since I played this game. I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
Long live the queen, the real queen.
I want our sweet daughter.
Stumpy D-O-double-G.
I ain't scared. What? I got mad? What? No way.
Players pressure tested, rivals call it luck, but legends know it's skill, no till, no fear, just pure grind and raw talent. So when the countdown is here, when the pressure's at its peak, that's when Stumpy Dog
not gonna
goes
load
beast
in.
mode.
My bad. Lol. Right there.
10 seconds remaining. Your turn to pick.
Melee. I forgot about that. Is there a strat to go around that? Nah.
Stumpy D-O-double-G.
It's fine.
An imposter queen has taken my throne. Of course.
Time for preparations. One of the heroes experienced some technical difficulties.
I proceed then. As you say. Only because it's
Butterfly. like me dad say later.
30 seconds to battle.
If you say so.
The battle begins.
I'll set my plan into motion.
This is quite exciting.
5. To reclaim my throne. I go by my own choice. First blood, upon the silences since I began. I concur. Time. Might is set. Yes, the time is right.
Poor little Radiant's courier was slain.
Forward for vengeance. As you see. I'll strike you down. Only because it serves my purpose. No. I go by my own choice. 5. Well, I reach new heights. Face your doom. If you say so. I'll consent. This time, heal. I'll destroy you. Yes, the time is right to move. My power is replenished. To reclaim my throne. I proceed. Forward for vengeance. Sound of your queen. Prepare your soul. Might is accept. Of course. I concur. A tribute of gold. I'll set my plan into motion. In view. Feel my wrath.
A spot of trouble at your top tower. Your top tower craves your attention.
Long live the queen. Only because it serves my purpose. To reclaim my throne. I go under My thoughts exactly. I proceed. If you say so. How dare you even imagine it? Where may I go? I concur. My sight. You die now. I don't take a nap. Your reckoning comes. Nothing. But I'll take this. Yes. The time is right. As you say. I'll set my plan. Suffer now! Fine. Forward for vengeance. I must declare. Fall and die! You can't hit what you can't see. Of course,
Arms for the dead.
I go by my own choice. No mercy. In my way. Forward for vengeance.
Meet Stumpy Dog, relentless force in the world of competitive gaming. Whether it's crushing a
I concur.
strategizing every move with surgical precision. Stumpy Dog lives for the high skill and a serious love for the grind, you found it.
Being attacked.
Your bottom tower is being invaded.
As you say. As you say so. Take this. My thoughts exactly. To reclaim my throne. Where may I go? Lay down your lives for your power or my voice. Your end is near. All right. Face your I'll strike you down.
Locked in and dialed up, Stumpy Dog enters the match with zero hesitation
I
and total
proceed.
control from pixel perfect. It's little game sense. Every move is calculated, every play is practiced. And the pressure's at its peak.
Your middle tower is not doing well.
Goes beast mode.
Yani Aisani Brand. Турецкий Малман.
Бро, ну покупай, пожалуйста, какие-нибудь, не знаю, ветки, еще что-нибудь. Что ты стоишь просто над ним? Just buy Tango. I can see the deal.
Your middle tower is under attack.
They're not helping me. No. That's all.
Dire's courier has been slain. Something wicked at your middle tower. Something wicked at your middle tower.
Much obliged. As a team, if you're that easy to kill. Yes, the time is right.
Whether it's clutching the final round or strategizing every move with surgical precision.
Sai ficar o Disney.
Your middle tower is under attack. Your middle tower is not doing well.
Thanks for that.
Your middle tower is not doing well. So ended the story of your middle tower.
Man.
Something wicked at your middle tower.
I set my plan. Thanks for that. To reclaim my throne. My sight.
Arms for the dead.
Taste this.
Killing spree.
Your top tower is under attack. Your top tower is under attack. The enemy's middle tower has fallen. Now on to the next challenge. Your top tower craves your attention.
I concur.
And that was the end of your top tower.
Why we doesn't have any help? Бля, у тебя ТПшка была. Венга, ты просто продала мне.
All right. The time is right. Where may I go? I gain flight.
A spot of
You could see that I didn't have TP because of you last time. Didn't TP.
your top tower is under attack.
And I couldn't have time to go there. I just didn't have it.
A spot of trouble at your top tower.
As you say.
You can tell to your third position that they have
Mega kill.
I go by my own choice.
A spot
No,
of trouble
beyond
at
the
your
block.
top tower.
Don't die now.
Your top tower has fallen. Quite unfortunate.
Only because it serves my purpose. All right. To reclaim my throne. Fine. Quake at the sound of my cry.
Your top tower is under attack.
Fresh meat! Fresh meat!
I concur.
Nice, well played.
I proceed. All right. I proceed. Onward to repay this insult. I go by my own choice. Let's see the trick. Well,
Regeneration!
all shall be mine. As you say. Carry my sight. Yes, the time is right. I'll consent this time. Or my voice.
Much obliged.
If you say so. I'll destroy you! I am under attack! Of course. What was that red quake at the sound of my cry? I
The enemy's top tower has fallen.
only because it serves my purpose. Of you are right to fear. My
bottom tower is under attack.
Taste of Freon's power. I'll set my plan.
I'll just let you free.
It's not right here.
The enemy's bottom tower has fallen.
Yes, the time is right to move. Your reckoning comes.
Your middle tower is under attack. The enemy's bottom tower is utterly beyond repair. Your middle tower is under attack.
Prepare your soul. Begin.
Welcome to the arena. Welcome to Stumpy Dog's game.
As you say. Clamor for my voice. Where I go. It's not time yet. Claim my throne. I proceed. Onward.
Your top tower craves your attention. Dire structures are fortified.
Fool would make an enemy of me. I concur.
Don't hurt me, desert. Don't give up on me. What I wanna do it for, don't me. Take advantage of me, make me sorry. I'm counting on you.
Dialed up, Stumpy Dog. Next level every player. That's when Stumpy Dog goes beast mode.
Fine.
Very, very carefully.
Reclaim my throne. Forward. For my voice.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Death take you.
One, two, three, four, to the 5.
As you say.
enemy's middle tower is
Where may I go? I concur. My thoughts exactly.
Dire has claimed Roshan's life.
As you say,
D-O-double-G.
if you say so.
I'll take that.
My sister even though I'm there. I go by my own choice.
Your bottom tower is being invaded.
I'll consent this time. My sight. Of course. Only because it serves my purpose. I proceed then. Onward.
Dog's got the screen aglow with a Reaper chili and a dare to show. He's the king of the stream, but can he
I
handle the
set my
steam?
plan
Eyes wide,
into
crowd
motion.
screaming. Let's go! 1 by 2 by
To reclaim my voice. As you say,
Jumping dogs on fire! Always burning alive!
fire.
Can't run the heat! Can't he survive?
My thoughts exactly.
Tongues a volcano, heart's a drum.
I set my plan into motion. I'll consent.
Milk's on the table, but tide's on the line. Viewers tossing jokes, he's sweating through time. Water won't save me, he
Forward
grows
for
with
vengeance. Trample the sound of your queen.
Oh, that was some fucking adult play there. Then no smoke, just walking through like fucking idiots.
I proceed.
Jumping dogs on fire! Always burning alive!
Only because it serves my purpose. I go by my own choice.
Stumpy can't run!
To reclaim my throne. Of course, easy prey.
Always burning alive!
Where may I go?
Aye.
I concur.
Horse and drum, higher than the sun.
All right. Exchange.
has experienced some technical difficulties.
My thoughts exact.
Yeah, baby.
Your reckoning comes! I proceed. Lay down your lives for your queen. An outlet for my righteous fury. Fine.
The enemy's top tower is now ash and dust.
This time. Go. Onward. To reclaim my throne. Why am I surrounded by such peons? I concur. I go by my own choice.
Okay, let's go, guys. I have 80.
Kindness is weakness. If you say so. As you say. No mercy. This I am under attack. Forward for vengeance. To reclaim my throne.
He's got his own.
Your bottom tower is being invaded. Your bottom tower was denied.
I'll destroy you. Where may I go?
He's untouchable, no one's touching him. Oh yeah, he's untouchable. Oh yeah, he's untouchable. No one's touching him. 'Cause his name's Stampede, and he's been at it since before the Lord. And you might find it kinda hard, but his name's Stampede.
Set my plan into motion.
Arms for the dead.
Yes, the time is right. They shall not find. Fine. If you say so. Of course.
enemy's middle tower was torn down. That was the demise of their middle barracks. The enemy's middle barracks have fallen. Impressive.
I actually won a rank bet that talk to me, guys.
A dire victory.
I'm back. I'm back. Come poca. Oops.
I'm at it. No, Anna. I was spotted once upon a time.
Bayana.
Stumpy D.
Dragon Knight.
Boca, come boca. Come boca, come boca. Mucho boca. And shit, Papo. Con mi boca, pus. Y con mi boca, pus. kör tillbaka. Vi kommer baka. Igen och baka. Ni mannen fan i planen.
Stumpy D,
Ni mannen fan i planen. Mannen färdig till överst. Ni mannen fan i Thomas. Lifeline, hold up. Booker! Booker! Booker!
Ten seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining.
He's the king of the stream, but can he handle the steam? Eyes wide. Let's go. 1 bite, 2 bites, sweat starts to pour. Is it courage or madness? Can't tell anymore. Stumpy Dog's on fire. Oh, he's burning alive. Can't run here.
That number is 666 in the morning. Done.
Milk's on the table, but pride's on the line. He was tossing jokes, he's sweating through time. Water won't save me, he grows with a laugh. This chill is a dragon breathing its wrath. 1 gulp, 2 gulps, face turns red. Can he gain through or left when the spy?
It's 53666.
Stumpy Dog's on fire. Oh, he's burning alive.
It's 53666.
They say I cheated, eh? No. Death cheated me. Phantom footsteps.
Prepare for battle.
It seems
I thought that was you.
Thirty seconds remaining.
53666. It's 53666.
death comes.
3666.
Why there? I know this train.
May the best team win.
I'll make the most of it. Drums, horns, bells, they all sound for thee. Orale! Yeah, fine. What?
What, bro?
No, sure. Because I say a whisper on the wind,
Once word mid.
a revelation. Draw.
Wait me, brother.
Go. An endless road. Friend. Come. Return. So. Yeah. Find the right moment. Right. Dragons abide. Oh, I will consider it a challenge. There's always more to shoot. Long have I this life.
Dude,
Maybe it's fate. There it comes. Find the right moment to strike. Fight! I'm under attack. It seems okay. I'm under attack. Maybe it's become a world of something just occurred.
Double kill.
Go. A revelation. An endless and there, return fire.
Not for you.
I'll make the most of it. Why then? I think not.
We have great vision, bro.
A true reaper is never so petty as you.
Antiseptic shock.
Footsteps. Yes, fine. I know this track. One more step down this. It's one option. Find the right
Dominating.
I'm there. I'm under attack.
Back, bro, back.
An An endless
Feast for the thrill of competition. Known for sharp
I wish I had wings when I was alive. I do prefer to buy them if
If you're
given
looking for
a
sweat, skill, and a
choice.
serious love for the grind, you found it. Welcome to the arena. Welcome to Stumpy
Yes,
Dog.
fine.
Stumpy Dale Double J.
Go. Apparently so. Run, coward! I'm under attack. Kill them all! Return fire! Lie there. There shall be shelters by the ages. It seems. Yes. A revelation.
locked in, dialed up,
Footsteps.
Stumpy the match with zero hesitation, total control from picture perfect aim to next level common sense. Every move is calculated, every play is
There's always more to show.
no it's skill, no time, no fear, it's pure grind and raw talent. So when the countdown hits zero, when the pressure's at its peak,
There it comes.
that's when Stumpy Dog goes beast mode.
I know this trail. Because I say. I'll make the most of it. Come. Baby, look at your face. I'm under attack. It's what not? Don't miss it. Maybe it's fate. Because I say. I'll make the
Your
most.
bottom tower.
Silencio!
Your bottom tower is being invaded.
Stop till I tell you. I'm under attack. Endless. Revelation. I know this trail. It seems okay. Decide your fight or flight. Apparently so.
Your top tower craves your attention.
Much better. Find the right moment to strike. Come. In. Yes, fine. Phantom footsteps. Leave no one standing.
That's when Stumpy Dog goes beast mode.
A spot of trouble at your top tower.
Hi there. Marked by death. Forgetful mind. I'll make the most of it. Stare your death in the face. Because I say... No! No more games. There's always more. Hide! Phantom footsteps.
Spot of trouble at your top tower.
It's one option.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
If I am not dead, you are my prey.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
I'm dead.
Your enemy's middle tower is gone. Your bottom tower is being invaded.
There comes.
Your top tower is under attack. Then your top tower fell into pieces. Such was the end of Dire's middle. Your middle tower is not doing well.
Nothing can save you. Find the right moment to strike.
Something wicked at your middle tower. Something wicked at your middle tower.
Because I say... Apparently so.
Killing spree. Double kill.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Hey, that's it.
middle tower met its demise.
Endless road. Blame the ancient.
Your middle tower is not doing well. Something wicked at your middle tower.
Find the right moment to strike. I know this right. It seems okay. It's one option.
Support, please, support.
A revelation. And there. Was never phantom footsteps. Hold on your grave. There's always more to shoot. I'm there. I know this time. Why there? It seems okay. There it comes. Find the right moment to strike. Silence. Soon, even though it's one option. Apparently so. Because I say
He's got his own little virtual world.
an endless
Oh yeah, a world full of fight.
yes.
Your bottom tower is under
I make the most of it. A revelation.
He's untouchable, no one's touching him. Oh yeah.
The invisibility. Yes, fine. Why there? And there. Maybe it's fate. I know it's because I say there it comes.
Your top tower craves your attention.
Phantom footsteps.
little guy.
Those apples really worked.
Know your weakness.
This problem I can solve with violence. I'll make the most of it.
Locked in and dialed up, Stumpy Dog enters the match with zero hesitation and total control from
Apparently
pixel
so.
perfect aim. Every move is calculated, every play is pressure tested. Rivals call it luck, but legends know it's skill, no tilt, no fear, just pure grind and raw talent. So when the countdown hits zero and the pressure's at its
A
peak,
spot of trouble at your top tower.
that's when Stumpy Dog goes beast mode.
Come,
Your top tower craves your attention.
find the right moment to step away.
Your top tower.
At least I know what I can do. I'm there. I'll make the most of it. But this is apparently so. Yes, fine. Draw!
That's when Stumpy Dog goes beast mode.
Damage.
What hope has one against so many?
Your middle tower is not doing well.
Because I say... Very nice. Maybe it's fate. Come.
Come. I know this trail. It's what nature. Find the right moment to strike.
داداش واقعا نمیدونم چطوریه ولی این بازی داره حال من خراب میکنه با این بازی.
داداش با خودم دارم الان اینا با ونوم کلی داره ونوم کلی نمیتونی دارم بخور میدم کلی ها خیلی بیشتر اگه میگه الان میکنیم فقط به خاطر که یه مثلا الیه ما هنوز آیتمامون رو فارم نکردیم همش همینه الان همتون رو شمارین هیچ کی پلی نمیده درست.
بابا ما همین جوریش هم دارم میزنم واقعی که دارم ما میزنم
میدونم داشت تو بازی میکنی که مثل چیز بازی نمیکنه با بیشتر الان من با تو نیستم میدونم بریم چی میشه. بدون من دوتا
بابا نگاه کن یکی هوای منو داشته باشه بذار ما لینکین بیارم اگر لینکین اومد کسی نمیتونه بزنم چون همین نیچره معنا لول میزنه دوست دارم.
سایلنس رو میکنم
همینه
بشین فرم تو کن داداش اهل بوشه همه من بوشه رو میدارم هستم الان سعی کنم یه نمود کن
بابا ما هواتونه دارم من لول زنم من لول اینیکی کمکی تو بلند تو هم سری کن لینکی بیار لینکی نیازه
لینکی هست ولی من قبلش به یه سری بیکیوی و بلادستون و اینا بیارم اونا خیلی واجبه تو فایتا نمیرم همین ولی پایپی آوردم فعلا دست رو بنام زنده بمونم تا بعد
یا بریم بلو لیکی به نام بیتا بریم
میخوام برم میترسم پشت شدم باشه
بیا نه بابا نیچره اول کار میامونه از کار میندازه من که از کار انداخت انگار ریچ فقط میخواب یا منو بزنه همین
cool down please don't fight
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Please don't let them get the GG's bro. Please get back. Jump shot.
tower is under attack. Dire just fortified their strength.
میمونم آدم خود
Your middle tower is under attack. Your middle tower has fallen.
The stench of death is upon you.
Your bottom tower is being invaded. Yes, your bottom tower is no more. A spot of trouble at your top tower.
The South African Leicester Coast Combis.
Go, go.
At least in this
Stop. Double kill.
it seems. I'm under. It's time for real.
On the wall.
Because I
Here we
say
are again, to my rise and fall.
yes.
Living my only friend. It's only that they can understand the man I am. So why are we here? Talking to each other again. Rubbing your eyes.
خدا زورم میاد این مچو به بات
Mirror on the wall. Here we are again. To my right and far. You'll be my only friend.
Your middle tower is
They
not
told me
doing
that
well.
they can understand the man I am. So why are we Talking to each other again.
Your middle barracks are no longer.
On the
Your bottom barracks have fallen.
Stumpy Dog enters the match with zero hesitation.
I'll make the most of
Game
it.
sense. Every move is calculated. Every play is
Looking to each other
no fear, just pure grind.
Because I say,
So when the countdown hits zero and the pressure is peak,
maybe it's fate. Yes, fine. Find the right moment to strike.
Stumpy deal, Double J.
I know this strike. Come.
Okay.
Poor Dyer's courier was slain.
But the bumped up kicks, you gonna run and run faster than my gun. Oh,
Fall at my
Double kill.
Your top tower is under attack. Fierce and Dyer have fortified their structures.
حواست باشه لینک میگم بلینک بیاری نفر رو دوالت کن لینک نتونده
That was the end of your top tower. Your top barracks are in trouble. Your top barracks are under attack.
Monster kill.
Sorry, but your top barracks are gone. Please mind your ancient. Someone is attacking your ancient. Trouble brewing at your ancient. Your ancient is taking a beating.
just. But the bumped up tricks, are gonna run and run. I got my gun. Oh, the kids. The bumped up kids are gonna run and run. Outrun my
Your
gun.
ancient is under attack.
Outrun my gun.
Your ancient needs attention.
Run and run. Outrun my gun.
Someone is violating your ancient. Radiant victory.
Oh yeah.
Stumpy D-O double G.
flying Mickey Vine, flying Mickey Vine, flying Mickey Vine from mine. There's a tackle, yeah. Well, I'm gonna stop the episode here, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next episode. It's your boy Stumpy, DO Double G.